What's up, peeps? TechVetTravie here with another tech review. So you might ask me, what am I doing right now with this light bulb beside me? Well, this light bulb is actually a Philips Hue smart light bulb, which is run off a hub from the Philips Smart Home series. So it's a personal wireless system. This actual kit right here was purchased for $69.99 at Target. I also looked up, it's the same price everywhere else. I've seen it on Walmart as well, and Amazon.com. But this kit essentially gives you the technology to wirelessly control your light bulbs within your home. So I've used this on with command functions from my Google Pixel 2 as well as my Google Home Mini, and it does a great job. So what's actually inside the box? So one of these light bulbs, plus when you open the box, there is another light bulb as well, and it also came with a hub that I have hooked up. So what you should know about this software before hooking it up is it's not just a plug and play software. So the actual hub has to be hooked up to a LAN, so you have to hook it up to your router and have a LAN cable connected to it to actually establish that connection, as well as going onto the website and creating an account. So the first step I had to do was go onto my phone, go to the Google Home application, and then go down to the Philips Hue selection on the application. You go to the website where you create an account for the website, and then you register your products for that website. Then you go back to Google Home, you also download the Philips Hue application, and that is where you set up all your stuff to control it. So I think I talked enough about what it is. So this is just the plain white light bulb right here. There's also a white and color ambience light bulb as well. And there's also several kits. There's different kits that come with more light bulbs, and there's just light bulb purchase, so you can buy the light bulb separately. To me, the light bulb is kind of expensive. If you just buy the white light bulb, it's $14.99, but if you buy the white light bulb with the color ambience, that is $50. So just to note, these are not like the cheapest products out there. For what they do, I think it's amazing. I'm actually gonna get more light bulbs for my house, and one day I'll create a video with my modified bedroom with the Hue lights with the ambience. But I talk too much. So we're gonna show you what this can actually do. So right now I'll be using my Google Pixel 2 to actually control this light bulb because my Google Home Mini is in a different room right now. But let me shut up, I'm talking too much. You're talking too much, Travis? Yes, I'm talking too much, I know it. But let's see what it does. So, okay Google, turn on light 1.
Sure, setting 2 lights brightness.
So that is on. Now, the crazy thing about this, I don't have the color one yet. I wish I did so I can do a review on that. Once I do get it, I will do a review because I'm pretty sure you can tell it to turn a certain color. But for this light bulb, you can change the percentage from 1% all the way to 100. I don't know if you can really see it in the light right now, but this percentage, it doesn't say, oh, it's at 1%. So my phone says it's at 1% at the moment. So let's check this out. Okay, Google, turn light 1 to 50%. As you can see, the brightness just got brighter on here. And at 100%, it is pretty damn bright. So let's get back to it. Okay, Google, turn light 1 to 100%. It didn't get me. Oh, it got me. Oh my goodness, look at that. So, no, it didn't take it. Okay, Google. Okay, Google, turn light 1 to 100%. And that is 100%. As you can see, that thing just got super bright. Okay, Google, turn light 1 off.
Okay, turning off light 1.
Okay, so that is the Hue personal wireless lighting system that you can use with your Google Pixel or Google Assistant, mind you, or the Google Home Mini. So this product is very good. I think the initial product with 2 light bulbs, the hub, is worth $70, and then you can get the additional ones for $14.99 if you just want white, or you can get the colored ones for $50. But you guys, this has been a review of the Philips Hue personal lighting system for your home smart device. It also works with the Amazon Echo Dot and the Amazon Echo as well. But you guys, this has been my review. Let me know what you guys think about this if you're gonna go pick it up. But you guys take care. I hope you like this video and subscribe. Peace.